Please excuse the mess behind me. But I'm back, it's Cassandra here, and today we're going to talk a little bit about what's been happening. So it's officially 2019. How exciting is that? So I'm going to be recording from my phone because smashed cameras, you know, you guys seen it in like old videos. What I've been thinking for this year is to creating iconic me. And that is the kind of challenge. I do have a Facebook page. If you guys want to go and check it out, I will link it down below. What we're going to do is lifestyle. It's like a brain dump, but I feel like brain dump sounds really bad. Talk about fitness, health, you know, if I'm gonna prep, and then we're going to talk about books and self-love and motivation and fuckboys and everything along the line. So I wanted to talk about what you can expect. So you can expect anything from books, like I said, fitness, lifestyle, chit chats. If you guys are interested in vlogs, I'm more than happy to do that as well. But I want to focus more about creating content that's something that I would like to see when I was younger. So if you have any questions about, you know, being a woman, growing up, or relationship advice or anything like that, I will be doing probably a series. I might get my best friend to get on here as well, about moving, because if you guys can't tell, I'm in a different location. So in the end of 2018, me and the boyfriend decided to move in together, and I can tell you the whole story time of what happened and how we decided to move. We've been together for like 2.5 years, and we've been looking, last summer we've been looking to move in together, but it kind of didn't work out. Every apartment that we looked at, there was something either that we didn't like in the apartment. We could live with it, but it wasn't like, oh, that's the apartment that we want, or it didn't have parking for the car, or something was very inconvenient. So then some things happened, and there we go, here we are. So I really want to do kind of series how, you know, what to expect when you're moving. That's the first thing. How to prepare yourself and kind of how it looks, especially here in UK. Second thing, what to expect when you're moving with your significant other, and kind of update, as we're about 2.5 months into living together. So kind of, you know, your relationship's definitely going to change, and you need to be ready for it. And then yeah, everything, how to adult 101. And then if you guys like cleaning videos, or if you like, you know, just hanging out in a house, I probably won't be doing cooking videos because I can't really cook. So yeah, if you guys are ready for this journey for 2019, I want you to leave any questions, any requests you have down below. Know if you like it, what you wanted to see, if it's more fashion or if it's more fitness. I'm going to focus on everything that I'm loving at the moment. So if you know, me and my best friend like to talk about scary things like serial killers and stuff like that. If you guys want to have like a chat with us, I'm more than happy to do one of those as well. You know, like a serial killer file or scary stories or something like that, paranormal. I love that shit. And yes, so that'll be it for today, to be honest. I feel like that's a great comeback, and we can move on from there. So if you are not subscribed, subscribe. All the details to my pages and everything like that is down below, and drop me a comment down below what you would like to see next. And I will see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.